How to accept online payments with Paysafe. Have you ever worried that your online business is missing out on customers because you don't offer enough payment options? In today's global market, the answer is probably yes. Customers want flexibility, and many still prefer to pay using cash or secure, prepaid methods rather than a traditional credit card or bank transfer. This is where Paysafe comes in. As a global provider of specialized payment solutions, Paysafe allows your business to tap into entirely new customer segments, particularly those who prefer alternative payment methods like their popular prepaid solution, Paysafe Card, or barcode-based cash payments like Paysafe. But how exactly do you set up your online store to accept these options? It's simpler than you might think. Let's break down the 3 core steps to start accepting online payments with Paysafe, covering card payments, digital wallets, and those all-important prepaid cash options. Step 1. Choose your solution and apply. Paysafe offers a comprehensive platform that handles everything from traditional card processing to the innovative eCash solutions. First, you need to decide which services your business requires. Most e-commerce businesses will start with their all-in-one payment gateway solution, which provides the necessary integration for major credit cards, digital wallets like Skrill and Neteller, and prepaid services like Paysafe Card. The next step is applying for a merchant account. This process is standard for any payment processor. You'll head to the Paysafe website, fill out an application with your business details, and go through a quick Know Your Customer, or KYC, and underwriting review. This verifies your business's legitimacy and ensures security for all transactions. Step 2. Integrate the payment gateway. Once your account is approved, it's time for the technical part, integration. Paysafe makes this straightforward. They offer a single, powerful API that allows you to integrate their entire suite of payment methods with one connection. This means your development team only has to manage one set of code, but you unlock over 200 payment types for your customers. If you use a popular e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, look for a dedicated Paysafe plugin or payment app. These tools often allow you to add Paysafe to your checkout page with just a few clicks and no custom coding required. Whether you use an API or a plugin, the goal is the same: seamlessly present Paysafe options at your checkout. Step 3. Test and go live. The final step is crucial: testing. Before launching, use Paysafe's provided test environment to simulate customer transactions. Make sure that when a customer selects a payment method, like Paysafe Card, the process redirects them correctly, accepts the payment, and confirms the order back on your site. Confirm that all funds are correctly reflected in your Paysafe merchant portal. This portal is your central hub for real-time reporting, managing payouts, and handling any customer service issues. Once you've confirmed everything is working smoothly, you're ready to go live. You've just opened your business to millions of customers worldwide who rely on flexible, secure, and often prepaid options for their online purchases. By following these 3 simple steps, choosing your solution, integrating the gateway, and testing the transaction flow, you can easily accept a global variety of online payments with Paysafe, boosting your sales and customer reach. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.